After decapitation, the head stays alive for some time, potentially allowing him to see his own head falling off before death. Antibiotics have been used for so long that some viruses are evolving to resist them. This could cause treatable diseases to become untreatable if no other cure is found. More than half of the cells in your body are not human cells, but microbes like viruses, bacteria, and fungi. They play crucial roles in digestion and immunity, but can turn against us if disrupted. A certain protein is found in our brain called prion, which is usually folded, but if it misfolds, it would cause other prions to misfold, setting off a chain reaction. We don't know much about it, and there's no cure for it either. Plants convert CO2 to carbohydrates. But due to pollution, CO2 is rising in the atmosphere. They are producing more carbs, while the minerals, micronutrients, and proteins are the same. So to complete nutrition, we have to consume more carbs, which might be a contributing factor towards obesity. The tongue-eating louse is a parasite that attaches itself on the tongue of a fish and then feeds of its blood until the tongue dries and falls off. It then replaces the tongue, becoming a live prosthetic, while still feeding on the blood. A coronal mass ejection is a phenomenon in which Earth is blasted with radiation from the sun that acts like an EMP, disabling electronics. Last time a big one hit Earth was when we had telegraph lines which spontaneously caught fire. If it were to happen now, flights won't work, cars won't start, and electronics stop working. Genetic engineering is a double-edged sword, allowing for insane medical progress, but also giving humans the knowledge to hack an organism. It's only a matter of time until the information to create a highly contagious and deadly virus would be accessible to everyone. Neurodegenerative diseases, like Alzheimer's disease, often start decades before the symptoms show up, meaning once we see them, it is already too late. Magnetic field of objects usually reverses after some interval, and Earth is overdue for the switch. When it will happen, it is expected to cause extreme weather conditions and damage the electronics. Also, animals relying on magnetic field for navigation, like birds, fishes, bees, and turtle, can get confused. According to dark forest hypothesis, we haven't been able to contact aliens is likely because they're hiding from us for survival. If aliens have the technology to contact us, they would also have the technology to destroy us. Our solar system is filled with space junk. Satellites, rocket stages, and fragments orbit the Earth. If it keeps accumulating, it would turn into Kessler's syndrome, in which collisions create more debris, potentially making space travel impossible. It's rare, but a species called sheep nasal botflies sprays live larvae into the nose of mammals. The larvae then grows and matures inside the nose. Around 1/3 of the human population is infected with a parasite called Toxoplasma gondii. It is thought to be harmless, but recent statistical studies suggest that it might be related to anger issues. Helium, the thing we inhale to get a funny voice, is also used in important technologies like MRI, but it is so lightweight that Earth's gravity cannot hold it in, so we are losing it with the time passing. When we won't have any left, these technologies would not work. The most powerful nuke ever created, the Tsar bomb, is 3,000 times more powerful than its original design. Its power is greater than all of the ammunition used in World War II. When it was tested on a remote island, its shockwave circled the globe 6 times. Infertility is more common than we usually think. For example, 10 to 20% of pregnancies end up in miscarriage, which is very high. Gamma-ray bursts are extremely powerful blasts of radiation that is formed from the merging of neutron stars or the death of massive stars. If one pointed towards Earth, life would be wiped out in an instant. There's an anomaly in intergalactic space called the Great Attractor, which pulls everything towards itself. So the Milky Way galaxy and Earth is getting pulled. We have no idea what it is, as it is not visible. Heart muscle cells don't reproduce much in adults, roughly 1% per year. So when a heart disease damages them, they won't reproduce. It is one of the reasons that patients need a heart transplant.